How you going, guys? Thought I would maybe film and document some of this as I get along with the latest build in the shed. Never done anything like this before, talking on camera and all that sort of garbage, so quite shitting myself at the minute, you could say. But I'll turn the camera around and just show you what we've got going on. So I've managed to get my hands on like a old Jeep styled pedal car. As you can see, there's a bit of stuff missing from it. In rather good shape though. Body's not too dinged up, rusted, nothing like that, so good starting point to do something. Got a bit of a tub of some mixed parts here from it, but it is missing quite a lot, so I just thought maybe it might turn into a bit of a hot rod stroller kind of build. Ditch the pedals, ditch the steering, put a handle on the back and just make it be pushed along by mum or dad. Probably turn it into a Gasser styled drag car, old school drag car for this one. You can see I've previously, well, halfway through doing one here, just done like a leaf spring front end in it, petrol tank, made that up front, made a set of stacks for it, just a set of go-kart wheels on the rear, but yeah, this build here hasn't really got to the end yet. I'll do a quick mock-up of what I'm thinking for this one. Got the wheels here, a few bits and pieces to get started, but still waiting on a fair bit of stuff. So I'll put the camera down and mock up what I'm thinking. So here we go, this is kind of what I'm looking at, wheel and tyre setup wise. Just a set of go-kart dry weather rear slicks on the back. These ones won't be the one that make it to it, as I've got to go back on my own go-kart, so I'll have to order a new set of them. Then just a set of, don't know what you use them for, trolley jack or something like that, wheels from the big green shed. Won't be worrying about doing anything steering wise with this, just a handle on the back, sort of push down, take the weight off the front and turn in whatever direction you need it to go. But yeah, it's kind of what I'm thinking. I think it looks pretty cool. So, hoping to sort of make this a bit of a quick build, try and knock out it as quick as I can. Currently on about 14 days isolation at home due to this whole world pandemic situation we're going through. So quite a bit of time to play around in the shed out here. So I'm thinking of doing something stack wise, like I said before. This is what I made up for this other build, so probably do something similar like that I'm thinking on this. Thought I might just touch on a couple of other builds I've got sort of occupying my time in the shed at the minute as well. Some are a bit more long term than others, but it's kind of why I want to get this thing down here done quicker, just so something new's around the joint really. So this one here is one I've been probably working on for longer than I'd like to admit, tinkering away at it here and there, but yeah, been through a couple of little stages. Originally built it and put a set of put a set of electric actuators front and rear, sort of resemble hydraulics. Soon realised they were rather slow and, well, they sound a bit gay as well when they're going up and down, so started search on the big wide web and come across air cylinders. So I ended up getting a set for the front, which worked great. Unfortunately I've got no CO2 at the minute to be able to show that, but just need to order another one which I can use to set in the rear. I don't have much room back here, so the one I originally ordered is a bit too big, so I've had to drop down a size. Then I've just got a CO2 bottle from Motion Raceworks which will control obviously through the back here. That'll be handlebar will join onto that there, and then on the bar will be the bottle, and that's the line to feed up to that. Eventually when I do the wiring in it, I'll bring out the wiring through here in like a little bulkhead hopefully, so it's all quick connect and whatnot. But yeah, just Harley, or motorbike I should say, brake lights. They're like little torpedoes, so I pulled them all apart, modified them so they look nice. Same on the front, got some kind of little light. Don't know what they're from, just some eBay crap. But yeah, so hopefully this thing won't be too much longer and I'll have this one finished. But like I said, just been plotting along with that one and doing a lot of research along the way. Rightio, probably going to leave it there for the night. Head inside. Come out here and probably spend a good portion of the day tomorrow on this Jeep pedal car. Try and, don't know, I've got a bit of steel here which I could probably do, maybe look at doing the stacks or start roughing in what I want to do with the front leaf springs and stuff like that, getting a bit of a ride height set for it. Currently waiting on someone who's hopefully making me a set of axles for it with a lathe, because a bit of a small workshop here. I haven't got a lathe at my disposal, so some stuff I do have to rely on other people to help me with, which they normally come through the goods, so yeah. But yeah, and with those other builds I'll try and keep up to date with those, and as I do more on them I'll hopefully remember to set this GoPro up and yeah, make sure it catches what I do. But sometimes when you get in here and just get moving, it's the last thing on your mind. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully I don't sound like a complete dick on camera, but hey, we'll see. Cheers.